If someone asked me one question, where can I see the most beautiful sunset in Fiji?
I would definitely say Whitewater Beach is the best.
And there are many resort hotels on the grounds of Whitewater Beach.
This is a hotel called Bamboo Backpackers and Bar. Many travelers from all over the world gather here.
A taxi from Nandi Airport to Bamboo Backpackers will take you in about 14 minutes.
The daytime scenery is also very beautiful,
And it's fun to catch up with friends here.
after catch-up, it's a good idea to take a picture with the sunset in the background. Another day, my friend had a farewell party for me on the beach before I returned to Japan. I can't forget that day. The night I drank a lot with my friends against the backdrop of a beautiful sunset. I recommend you to visit here once in your life with your dear friends.